The Jones family was like many others. They worked hard, they had dreams, but they were drowning in debt. It started small, a credit card here, a loan there. Soon they were trapped, they felt overwhelmed. The weight of their debt was crushing. Every month was a struggle. They paid bills with anxiety. The joy was gone from their lives. They knew something had to change. They had to find a way out. The Jones family realized they had a problem. They had to face it head on. They decided to create a budget. They tracked every dollar they spent. They saw where their money was going. They were spending too much on things they didn't need, eating out, new clothes, expensive vacations. They made a choice. They decided to live below their means. This meant making sacrifices. They started cooking at home more. They cut back on unnecessary expenses. The Jones family committed to getting out of debt. They started with their smallest debt first. They made extra payments on it until it was gone. This gave them a sense of accomplishment. They felt motivated to keep going. They used the snowball method. They paid off their debts one by one from smallest to largest. It took time, it took effort, it took discipline. But slowly they started to see the light at the end of the tunnel. The Jones family is now debt-free. They feel free. They feel in control. They are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. They have money saved for emergencies. They can enjoy life's simple pleasures without worry. They learned a valuable lesson. Financial peace is possible, it takes planning, it takes discipline, but the rewards are worth it.